Okay, in this tutorial, I will show you how to install JavaFX SceneBuilder. You can search JavaFX, and then let's go to this website. You go down here, there will be download. And then, as you can see, we have JavaFX 25, long-term edition. We are looking for SceneBuilder. Here you go. The SceneBuilder version 25 just came out. So download it. Okay, it's downloading. About 91 megabytes. I will show you how to integrate the SceneBuilder with NetBeans and then IntelliJ. Okay. If you are running Windows 11, it will say Windows Protect your PC. So more info. Run anyway. This is what we are trying to install. Here is the SceneBuilder installer. Next. Okay. Next. You should try to remember this location. Okay. Your user directory. My name is Ken. AppData local and SceneBuilder. Okay. Next. Install. Okay, finish. Let me start with NetBeans. This is a version 27. Okay, that comes with JDK 24. If you look at here, Java platform, I actually installed Zulu JDK 25, include JavaFX. So first thing you need to do is go to Tools, Options, and then look for Java, and then here's the JavaFX. See, here is the SceneBuilder home. Okay, so click here, browse. Okay, it will be under user, and then your username. There will be AppData. Okay, and then it's on the local, and the directory name will be SceneBuilder. Okay. Okay, we are looking for the home. Okay, that's it. That's all we are looking for. Open. That's it. Okay. So you should be able to open JavaFX, okay, with SceneBuilder. Okay, here you go. Let's look at it. SceneBuilder. Okay, we are using version 25. Okay. So this is how you use it. If you want to say hello world, so I change the value, save. Okay, minimize it, come back, and we need to make a new controller. Now you can make a build, clean and build. Okay, you don't have to actually clean it, but let me just clean and build project. Then my case, this is the one. Run it. Okay. So as you can remember, that was a hello world. Okay. If I click it, I'm going to have a different value. Okay. Actually, the same value. Okay, that's it. Because if you go back here, the text was a hello world. Okay. And then if you go to controller, okay, if we click it, it will say hello world. Okay, happen to be same message. Okay, that's how you install SceneBuilder for NetBeans IDE 27. Let's go to IntelliJ. I do have an IntelliJ 2025 2.2. Okay, let's go to settings. Okay, the settings, you can search JavaFX, or you can go to language, and then here is the JavaFX. Okay, this case I have already installed with the previous version, so happen to be same. Okay, so here, okay, there's the exact same location I show it to you with the NetBeans. You can go and search for it, then say okay. So for example, if you are looking for JavaFX, just any of my previous then okay, there are some update. That's fine. Let me close it. So if you look at the source, okay, we are looking at the FXML. Okay, sorry. So you can open in SceneBuilder. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, IntelliJ SceneBuilder 25. Okay, so that's the SceneBuilder I have. That's how you integrate JavaFX SceneBuilder with IntelliJ or Apache NetBeans. Okay, that's all. Thank you.